Let's set up the Bass 50 for dual tops.
This setup is good for 150 people. For this setup, we will be using one Bass 50, one enclosure port, one set of port latches, two top speakers, and one dolly. The first step will be prepping the up-firing Bass 50 unit. Remove all 4 feet from the grill side of the Bass 50, replacing all hex hardware in its current position, leaving the side hardware protruding for the port latch. Next, we will take the port latch and slide the keyhole opening over the hex bolt on the side of the unit, securing it to the side of the Bass 50 using included tool or the 9/16 socket. We will do this on all 4 sides. After securing all 4 latches to the Bass 50, tighten the top 4 hex bolts to allow the port to align to the Bass 50. Next step is installing the Bass 50 on the dolly. First, make sure your wheels are locked on all 4 corners, and then take your up-firing Bass 50 that you already prepped and set it on top of the dolly. Make sure the feet lock into the front cleats on the dolly, then simply set the back side of the Bass 50 down onto the rear of the dolly until it locks into place. Next, put the universal port on top of the Bass 50, ensuring all 4 hex bolts align with the spacers on all 4 corners. Flip up your latches and make sure all latches are tightened on all 4 corners. Now I will show you how to set up a Bass 50 in a wired configuration. We will be wiring a DJ controller, 2 top speakers, 1 Bass 50. You will need 3 cables total for the dual top setup. 2 XLR male to XLR female cables for the master output of the DJ controller to the top speaker's XLR input. 1 female XLR to 1/8 inch male cable from the top speaker's pass-through to the input on the Bass 50.
Thanks for watching the Trulli Academy. Stay tuned for more videos.